Hi, I'm Ben Khoshnood. I'm president of Inovaxe Corporation. We're from Florida in United States, where we brought with us two distinct products. One of them is what we call line-side cards. These cards, while everybody's getting bigger and bigger with their material storage system, we've actually taken a different route. We're going to a smaller footprint, but more of it throughout the factory. So, which really brings about our strategy for distributed inventory management system rather than centralized inventory management system. So these line-side cards, they hold around 368 7-inch 8mm reels, and they sit directly right immediately next to the SMT machines. And they can be Panasonic, ASM, Fuji, Europlacer. That doesn't really matter which platform. It fits right between their feeders, and when the components on the feeder goes low, they give us a signal and we light up the next reel for replenishment. And as a result, the operators don't have a chance to make a mistake. And also it increases the amount of availability of the material, so the factory does not have a lot of traffic of bringing material back and forth from the warehouse. So it brings many benefits to the customers. The second product that we brought up to the show that for the first time is our specialized tray. Today, our customers have to tell us exactly how many 8mm, how many 12, 16, 24, 32, any one of the width of reels that they have. And that's sometimes the challenge for them, and also it's a big challenge for us because everything we build as a result is custom. We finally came up with the solution that we are fully satisfied that our customers are going to experience the same level of experience they have with our product, which they love. And what we can do now, our tray, without any modification to the software, our tray can accommodate 8mm, 12mm, 16mm, really any kind of width of the reel. So therefore, we can build product to stock, and our customers don't have to worry about they're going to have too much of the capacity for one type and not enough for the other type. Number one, it reduces and many times eliminates completely human errors. Unfortunately, we are not parts per million in our accuracy. I'm probably at best 85%, and human error is really what causes a lot of the challenges that manufacturers have related to the material. They can't find parts, the quantities are wrong components get loaded to the feeders. We eliminate all these challenges as a result. The ERP has accurate data, and manufacturers can count on the accuracy of the information they have in their ERP. The second most important thing that we bring to the table is reduction of the space. We've had many competitors that come from all over the world, especially from Far East. They have copied some of our features, but they miss the most important part that we have, and that's the amount of density, amount of storage that we can hold in a very small footprint. We typically reduce the space by 90%, and I know that's such a huge number, most of the people can't believe that can be achieved, but we actually have data to prove that. And when you reduce the space by 90%, it's not just about saving on space. It's about allowing process engineers to use material handling system totally differently in their process, and allows them to bring material a lot closer to the point of use than they did it before. And the last but not least, it drastically reduces the amount of labor that is required to handle material. We typically average about 4 seconds per reel to retrieve it or place it back into the stockroom. Without the intelligent storage, our customers are experiencing an average of 4 minutes per piece. So you can see there's a drastic reduction in space. Well, of course, these things bring a lot of other benefits, such as accuracy of the inventory, increasing the OEE of the equipment, reducing the amount of time the purchasing staff has to go out and repeat buying the material that they perhaps already have, all the FedEx charges, overnight charges that they have to pay, and a lot of other benefits related to that. Our background, all our team came from manufacturing area. So we lived through all the challenges that our customers are experiencing today. So our understanding of the challenges is much higher level than the people who just basically bring an equipment to the market by redesigning certain things. And also, we are totally focused on material solution. And we not only solve the problem of the reels related to SMT manufacturing, but we also have solutions for stencils, we have solutions for PC board storage, a solution for pallet throughout the factory for finished goods. So we have a very broad base of the solution that allows our customers to use only one platform, one software to manage all their material needs. And we think our feature-rich software has a huge advantage over our competitors. We're not the lowest cost provider. However, we believe that we have the best result for our customers.